good, my gamers? It's your boy, Sean. We are playing Ratchet and Clank collection. Wait a second, guys. I have to do something. There it is. So, let's get in. Start a new game. Skip all of this. Come on. Oh, wait, how did I get low on my camera? Are you serious? Oh.
Final step, detach robotic ignition system. Thank you for using help desk technology.
Me? Screw this. No! No! Let's go!
Welcome to the gadget.
You get it! Take that! Let's get some weapons here.
Specifically service provided by
Like, I haven't played my PS3 in a while. Like, I mean a while. Woo! And I haven't beat this game before. Like at a year ago. I haven't played my game in a year. I was like, sweet.
Please select an option from your policy.
But Christmas is soon. In a month. It's November. It's almost Thanksgiving. It's the 22nd. November 22nd. Oh, I have to get this.
That's now.
My camera's... Guys, my camera's low. Let me get through this quick. I want to at least beat the cutscene.
Press the circle button to equip and the circle button stay to follow. You can also use it in course cosine by holding down.
So my camera's low, I have to skip through it quick.
This could be a problem. Take care of it.
Captain Cool?
Wow.
Oh yeah, Are you serious? So many cutscenes. No. Go. Get on, sucker! Go. Get on, sucker! You ain't going nowhere. Taking him out of ammo. Stop quick. I did not see anything. Oh, those! Can I get those juke skills? Dang, I missed. Oh! 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 Those juke skills! Oh, my camera's dark. It means it's very low. It's getting low. I'm still gonna have to upload. I'm sorry. It's low. I'm not gonna get much gameplay. But it couldn't upload. I need a little light in it, so that's why I have a light thing next to me. So I couldn't upload it. That's stupid. So hope I can upload this. If I don't, I would have to play another game. I'm gonna skip through this real quick. I know that cutscene, that was funny. Anybody got time for this?
You should press the select button to bring up the map and go to your ship. Mark with the star.
Hey, look at the platform. Why did you go up? Is there somebody here? I'll kill them. Ratchet and Clank style. Woohoo! This one I should spoil it. This one the magic happens, people. Sometimes my camera gets blowy. I don't think I've seen it yet, but it does get blowy. So I'm so sorry if it does. Gotta have that money though. I'm trying to rush through this as much as possible. Ooh. I'm gonna travel with the cars. Wait, dude. I swear I just saw a plane. Is this Ratchet Clank up your arsenal all over again? Because I have finished that game too. But not Commando. Commando is impossible to beat. Oh no, this. So obviously, I was like warned you to get fog here. This is so hard to walk on. Are you fat man? You're a piece of junk. Look at you smile, your face is junk. Screw you, plumber. Thug life. You just thug life, man.
Maybe.
Oh, him? I forgot.
You see that guy on the left?
Here's a Ratchet Clank 3 too. Can't believe I paid you $5 for this piece of crap. You're lucky there's bolts here. Screw. Oh, 500. Oh, that's a whip-off, people. Oh, mine looks really HD. Pomodoro, whatever he said to. Whee! Woohoo! Whee! Woohoo! Whee! Oh crap! That would actually be so stupid if we died because of that. If we hit it a while. So, I want to go back and do everything. I hope you like this episode. If you haven't subscribed, we will finish this. I hope you like my episode. Subscribe. Let's try to get 10 likes and 100 views. I hope you like this episode. I hope you like Ratchet and Clank. I gotta buy this weapon. Next time you see me, I'll be over here, chilling like a villain. Feeling like chilling. But subscribe. Cause you know what I like to do. Let's blow stuff